chewy on the boy.
5 minutes late and he's already building a whole shed. What are you making, Ross? You're making
Car-size dolly.
Will dollies. One big boy, one big chunky boy to just go underneath the car. To go underneath the car and make it easy to move around. Chopping on the board. Early stages of the dolly boys.
That's it, that's the heart and that's the heart I've got on the side at the moment. And that's the underneath the car.
This is
51 centimetres from the floor.
that's as high as it is now, is it?
Yeah, that's what I need. Any higher, I can't really do much on the roof.
It'll be the same height but just movable.
Yeah, same height this side, higher on that
Oh,
side.
I need that. I need that. I need that.
Any ideas?
Sweet. Update in a while, crocodile.
Any ideas?
Right, the car is currently sitting on its little contraption. Moment of truth, mate. That's not bad. Hang on, if I give it a push from this corner. Is there stuff under the wheels? Did you pull everything? Yeah. Oh wait, hang on, the other wheel is on the back rear. Back rear is on the thing. Get rid of that. Is that in the way? Get rid of that.
Any ideas?
Yes, mate. That's nice. Right now, let's try and pull. Yeah, Chewy. Mind out. Well done, mate. High fives. Well done, mate. Look at this.
6 months ago.
So yeah, everything is all nice and solid. We've used really nice proper screws that are big and hefty boys. Car currently weighs probably about 400-500 kilos, maybe not even that, probably less than that. The front, each one of those pads is rated for 200 kilos each, so that's where the main net weight is of the engine. Nice. Now you can move it about, have a clean up, have a proper clean up, mate. Get ready for painting and doing funky.
You put a set of wheels on it, doesn't it?
Yeah, I know, mate. A set of wheels changes a car completely. You can have a nice car with crusty wheels and it just looks like crap, but then you can have a crusty car with nice wheels and it looks absolutely
Any
baller.
ideas?
Finally, it's happened to me in the car on the dolly. Boom!
Gonna make some
That's pretty cool.
fail safe.
Oh, mate, that looks cool. We'll bring you some pictures. Chicken World, my Chicken World. Barbecue boy. That looks so nice on camera. Your 10-second review. Struggly. Instant struggly boy.
Cool.
Oh, nice.
Any ideas?
Lunch break over. Back to the struggles. Oh, look at the wheels on the boy. Sick new rims, mate. Sick new rims. Okay. I'm just gonna slap some quick little sand, slap some paint, paintbrush, filler, primer, stuff,
Any
epoxy
ideas?
primer, paint with a brush. What's happening?
Nerdy.
Are you having a nice tidy up now that the car is on the move, boy?
Tried to.
Burning some stuff. Set Nan's garden on fire, but don't worry about it. Don't tell no one. Piles of stuff. We love piles of stuff. Piles. 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 We've got piles for days. Oh look, piles. Ooh. Well, at least this is on wheels now. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm just having a little tidy up as well. Just doing some housekeeping, really. There's stuff everywhere. I've just sprayed this with some zinc primer for now because there's still so much work that he's doing here that it doesn't really matter what I do at the moment. I'll have to come back to it and redo it, or repaint it, resand it, refill it, blah 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 blah. So just leave it like that for now. But yeah, turned out pretty cool. Like the shape of it. But yeah, now just for the rest of the car. I need to decide what's going on with this next section here. So I've started cleaning it up, taking this horrible underseal off. There's literally rust everywhere. It's everywhere. Oh my god. I need to take this strengthening panel off so I can get behind it, because I'm pretty sure I've got some bad rust behind there, and then I might end up having to take off this whole piece here. Let's do that. Okay, yeah. You can sort of see it on camera. I've marked them out where all the spot welds are. I'm gonna try and take it off without destroying it. Okay.
Any ideas?
Hey Phil, what you been up to, mate?
Hello mate. So on Time Team today, we have behind door number 1. All of this is falling out of it. Delicious crusty boys. This is very nice. Finally got it off. There's like some weird braised or whatever this was. That was weird and difficult to get off. Weird hidden spot welds. Not very friendly. Oh, and this is the customer. Okay. So it's good that we got this off. That's always a result. But look at the crust on the boy.
Yes.
We're gonna go home, we're gonna sleep, and we're gonna dream of rust. And we're gonna think about what we're gonna do with this. Because we'll have gapage. We'll have stuff to clean up on the inside of the gapage. Once I finish this section, I'm gonna strip all of this back to bare metal. I'm gonna take all this stuff off, take the brake lines off,
Put
get
in
it all back to
epoxy.
bare. Yeah, and then put the boy in the epoxy bowl.
Treat the arse
Treat the
with some
boy.
epoxy.
Treat the boy. Yeah. But I'm glad that we got this, but I'm not glad that we got this. It's not an MIT failure, so just put it back on. We'll just weld it back on and just send it off. Call her up and complain.
Spray a bit of Halford's paint on it, no, we'd never know.
Mate, paint? That's expensive.
Any ideas?
What did you do?
Shouldn't have fucking touched it.
It's nice.
Yeah, anyway,
Yeah, there is now another bit missing, but we'll work it out.
so this has got to be cut out, but up to here. You look underneath.
Oh, crusty boys.
You right in here.
Yeah. Oh god. Oh mate. Rusty Chronicles. Rusty Chronicles.
Any ideas? Any ideas?